general term. These are all in AP. If a number is divisible by 13, all the numbers will have common difference 13. If it is divisible by 7, all the numbers will have common difference 7. Same logic here. They are even integers. Even integers are in arithmetic progression because they have a common difference called 2. A number which is less than 400 divisible by 13, you should see. If you would have not taken loan, you would have purchased for 1,50,000. Because of the installment, he has to pay extra 90,000. So the same situation you can also do by AP. SN. Welcome to the session, dear students. Now we'll go ahead with the problems of progressions. So now 5 more questions. Find the sum of all even integers from 40 to 160. They want you to find the sum of all even integers from 40 to 160. So 40 even numbers means 42, 44, so on till what? 160. So now here first your task is to find number of terms. So now A is first term 40, nth term Tn we have 160. From this you get the value of n. All of you know Tn. What is Tn? A plus n minus 1 into d. So nth term is 160. You can call it as Tn or An. A means first term plus n minus 1 into common difference. What is the common difference? Second minus first. Always you know even numbers differs by what? 2. 42 minus 40 is 2. So common difference, this is d, d is 2. To simplify this, 40 you bring this side, so it will become 160 minus 40 is equal to multiply 2n minus 2. Rearrange. If you rearrange, it will become 120 is equal to 2n minus 2. Bring minus 2 to this side, so 120 plus 2 is equal to 2n. So 122 is equal to 2n. So what is n? n is 122 divided by 2. So you got n. n is exactly 122 divided by 2. 2 6 are 2 1s are, you got n. 61 terms are there. So now dear students, you have A is what? First term 40, and you have common difference is exactly 2, and n number of terms is 61. So now they want sum of n terms. Sn. What is Sn? n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Very first important thing is you should see 40, 42, 44, they are even integers. Even integers are in arithmetic progression because they have a common difference called 2. So that's why first I use arithmetic progression general term. Now I am using nth term. So now n, how many terms we have? 61. 61 by 2 into 2a. 2 times a. What is a? 2 times 40 plus n minus 1. That is 61 minus 1 into common difference is 2. Simplify this further. So Sn is equal to 61 by 2 into 2 into 40 is 80 plus 60 into 2, that is 61 by 2 into 80 plus 120, that is 61 by 2 into 200. So 2 ones are 200s are 100 into 61, 6100. So this is sum of n terms. What is sum of n terms from 40 to 160? 6100. So 2 ones are 200s are 100 into 61 is 6100. 6100 is the sum of the terms. 40 plus 42 plus 44 till 160 if you add, you will get exactly 6100. Next, find the sum of all the integers between 100 and 300 which are divisible by 7. Between 100 and 300 that are divisible by 7. So first number which is divisible by 7 after 100. 100 is not divisible. If you take 100 is not divisible by 7. So 7 10s are 70, 12 7s are 84, and 13 7. Okay, 14 into 7. What is 14 into 7? Or 7 4s are 28 to 7 1s are 7 plus 1 98. So 98 is divisible. So we'll start with 7, say divisible by what? 7. Yes. So take 15 into 7. 7 5s are 35 3, 7 1s are 7 plus 3, 105. 7 1s are 7 plus 3, 10. So 105 is the first number. So numbers between 100 and 300 which are divisible by 7. So simple, first when I divide 100 by 7, I'll get 7 point something, so 6 point something, so I'll take 7. So now first number is 105. Then you add 7. Divisible by 7 means add 7. So add 7, it will become 112. Add 7, it will become 119. It goes until 300. So 300 we will check whether it is divisible by 7. No, 300 is not divisible. But when you divide, you will get an integer. 7 4s are 28, 20, 42s are. 42 7s are will be less than 300. So try 43s are. So now, sorry. So 100, when I divide by 7, 7 1s are 7, 30, 7 4s are 14 point something will get. So therefore, first number that is divisible after 100 is next integer to 14 point. So I'll take 100 into, sorry, I'll take next integer. Next integer is what? Next integer is, and when I divide by 7, I am getting 14 point something. So next integer to 14 point something is 15. So I'll try 7 into 15. When I try 7 15s, I'll get 105. The first number that is divisible is 105. Last number less than 300. So try dividing 300 by 7. 7 4s are 28. 2 20, 7 2s are 42 point something you'll get. So that's why you multiply with 42. That's enough. Why? Because we can't cross 300. So 7 2s are 14, 1, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 1, 28 plus 1, 29, 294. So last number is 294. Between 100 and 300, the first number is divisible by 7 is 105. Next last number is 294, and add 7, 112, then 119, so on. These are the numbers. Now you have A. What is A? The first term 105. Common difference. Divisible by 7 means common difference is 7. And last term AN, nth term. Nth term is 294. They want you to find sum. So if you want to find sum, you should find n, number of terms. How to find number of terms? Use the formula for AN. What is AN? A plus n minus 1 into D. So nth term you have. What is nth term? 294. So 294 is equal to A plus, A is what? 105 plus 105 plus n minus 1, we don't know n minus 1, into common difference is 7. So transfer this side, 294 minus 105 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. That is, subtract this. So 14 minus 5 is 9. 8 by 8 to 189. Okay. 294, 105, you subtract 14 minus 5 is 9, this is 8, and this is 198. 198 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. 7 also you bring this side, so n minus 1 is equal to 189 divided by 7. So 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14, 49, 7 7s are. So 27 is n minus 1. That implies n is equal to 27 plus 1. 27 plus 1 is n is 28. So there are 28 terms. First you should find how many terms are there. So 28 terms. N is 28. A is 105. Common difference is 7 because multiple. So now they want sum of. Sum of means Sn. What is Sn? Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n, number of terms. How many terms are there? 28. 28 divided by 2. 2 times a. A is what? 105 plus n minus 1. N is what? Again 28 terms. Minus 2a plus n minus 1 into common difference is 7. 28 by 2 is 14 divisible. So 105 2s are 210 plus 26 7s are. Sorry, 27 7s are. 27 into 7. 210 plus 7 7s are 49 4. 7 to the 14 plus 4 18. Now simplify this using calculator. Add these two and multiply by 14. You will get the end answer. So I hope all of you got the method. So first I should use AN. I will get number of terms as 28. Then you use SN. So further you can simplify 14 into, so 389, 399. Sorry, 200 plus 100, 389, 389, 399. So 14 into 399 is the sum. Multiply this using calculator since you are allowed to use calculator. So do it faster and better. Now we'll go to the next problem. Find the sum of all integers between 60 and 400 which are divisible by 13. First number is 60. So you know 13 5s is what? 65. So after 60, between 60 and 40 means the first number is 65. A you got. Then you add 13. So that will become 78. Like that it goes on. And where it stops? A number which is less than 400 divisible by 13 you should see. So you know 13 3s are 39, 13 30s are 13 into 30s are 390. 13 into 31 if you do, it will be more. So it ends at 390. So A is 65. Common difference is divisible by 13 is common difference is 13. And nth term an is 390. Use a plus an is a plus n minus 1 into common difference. What is a? 65 plus n minus 1 into d. We don't know the common difference. We don't know the common difference 13. An also you know what is that? 390. Now simplify, rearrange this. So 390 minus 65. If you transfer this to LHS, so it will become 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. 8 minus 6 is 2. And 325. So 325 is equal to n minus 1 into 13. Bring 13 to LHS. So 325 divided by 13 is equal to n minus 1. So 13 2s are 26. 32 26 if you do 6. 65 13 5s are 25 is n minus 1. So n is what? 25 plus 1. So n is 26. You can also use calculators to simplify. So now you got n. What do they want you to find? Sum of all the integers. So we need to find Sn. What is Sn formula? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is equal to n by 2. Number of terms we got 26 by 2. 2a, 2 times first term. What is the first term? 65. 2 times 65 plus n minus 1 into d. N is what? 26 minus 1 into common difference is divisible by we took 13. So common difference is 13. Simplify. 26 by 2 is 13. 65 2s are 130. 25 into 13. 13 into 13. You know 13 13s are 169, 1690. Or okay. Further, I'm leaving it to you. From here, you can calculate. Multiply 25 13s and add this and simplify this using calculators. What is the logic here? Logic is the first term. How to get the first term? So 13 means 13 table you go on telling. 13 1s are 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39 like that. 13 5s is 65. 13 4s is less than 60. So therefore 65 is the first number. And 13 3s are 13. All of you know 13 into, see 13 3s are 13 and 13 into 30 is 390. 390 will be the last number less than 4. So from that you get n. So 3 problems we use general term. These are all in AP. If a number is divisible by 13, all the numbers will have common difference 13. If it is divisible by 7, all the numbers will have common difference 7. Same logic we are using. Next, a person buys every year bank's cash certificate of value exceeding last year's purchase by 500 rupees. Last year whatever he purchased, every year it increases by 500 rupees. So according to me, common difference is 500 rupees. After 15 years, so n is 15 because 1 year is 1 term. He finds that the total value of the certificate purchased by him is this much. Total value means what? Sum is 82,500. And find the value of the certificate purchased by him in the first year and 10th year. Value in the first year means they want A, and value in the 10th year means A10. Interesting. See, every year it increases by 500. 500, next year 500, next year 500 means same difference, common difference. So they are in AP. Suppose if it takes for 100 rupees, next year it will become 600. Next year it will become 600 plus 500 like that. So common difference is 500. Number of years, 15 years. After 15 years, the total sum is this. So use the SN formula and solve for A. All of you know what is SN. So in the first year, so SN, what is SN? N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So N by 2, number of years they took 15 years by 2. Sum of total sum after 15 years, sum is what? 82,500. I told you. Sum what is getting is 82,500. 2 times A, we don't know, plus N minus 1, 15 minus 1 into common difference. Every year is getting 500 rupees. Simplify this. That is 82,500 into 2. See, this divided by 2. I'll transfer this side. Into 5 comes down. Divided by 15 is equal to what is left of 2A plus 15 minus 1, 14 into D. What is D? 500. Now simplify this. Both are divisible by 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. 30. 5 6s are 25. 5 5s are 00. And 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. Again 3 5s are 15. 00. 55 100 into 2. Okay, we can multiply this also. 5,500 plus 5,500 is 11,000. 5,500 plus 5,500 into 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10 plus 11, 2A is equal to 7,000. Bring 7,000 to this side. 11,000 minus 7,000 is equal to 2A. 2A, sorry. So 11 minus 7, so 4,000 is equal to 2A. A is 4,000 divided by 2, that is 2,000. So therefore A means the first value, so 2,000. So therefore what they want? For the first year, find the value of the certificate. So therefore value of the certificate is 2,000 rupees in the first year. Rupees 2,000. I hope all of you got this. Next, in 10th year. 10th year means what? A10. A10 is, go to the question, AN. A means first year, 2,000 we got. Number of years, common difference is what? 500 rupees. So we know, if you know this, more than enough. 10th year, what is the value? Means A10. What is A10? A10 is AN formula. See, here they give A first year's value 2,000. Difference is every year 500 rupees. 10th year, what is the value is the question. So use the formula for AN. What is AN? A plus N minus 1 into D. So A is what? 2,000 plus AN, 10th year, A10 they want. A10 is A plus 2,000 plus N is what? 10 minus 1 into common difference is 500. So 2,000 plus 9 into 500. 2,000 plus 9 5s are 45. 4,500. So it will become 6,500. 10th year its value is 6,500. So 10th year its value is 6,500. That's it. Then it goes on adding up. Sum that could take SN. So 10th year it is 6,500. All the years if you add, it will become 82,500. So same. Amraj buys used car for 1,50,000. He pays 1 lakh cash and agrees to pay the balance in annual installment of rupees 5,000 plus 8% interest on the unpaid amount. How much will the car cost for him? So now balance is what? Balance is total cost minus cash pay. So 1,50,000. In that remove what? Whatever he paid. He paid what? 1 lakh. So balance is exactly 50,000. So balance is 50,000. And annual installment means common difference 5,000 and 8% interest on the unpaid plus interest. Okay, plus interest. See, listen. So installment is A, 5,000 rupees. Common difference is interest. 8%, 8 by 100 of this 5,000. 8 by 100 of 50,000, sorry. So 8 5 is 40. PTR by 100, right? P. So 4,000. So now A is 5,000 plus 4,000. How much will be the car cost for him? So now 50,000 is paying 10 times because 5,000 plus interest. 5,000 plus 4,000, 9,000 rupees per month he'll pay. A is 9,000 rupees. So how many months he'll pay? He'll pay this for what is called as remaining unpaid, that is 10 installments. Number of terms is 10 installment. So now what is SN? So now he'll pay 90,000. So total amount paid is equal to 90,000. Per month 9,000, 10 installments because he has to pay with interest. So total car cost is, so he paid 1 lakh cash and then he paid 90,000 rupees. So total it is 1,90,000 rupees for him. If you would have not taken loan, you would have purchased for 1,50,000. Because of the installment, he has to pay extra 90,000. So the same situation you can also do by AP, SN, N term, sum of N terms in AP. Sum of N terms in AP is first is 5,000. Then common difference is what? Every time. So sorry, common difference is same. See, every month installment is same, 8% on the unpaid amount. For every unpaid amount, you should pay 8%. So this situation here, it is not clearly given. 8% on the unpaid amount means unpaid amount is 50,000. So 50,000 same interest. Same interest is what? Every month 4,000 rupees he has to pay for 50,000 rupees for at the rate of 8%. And the other interesting thing is, so we can convert it into, what is that? You can convert the same problem to what AP and do, or directly I have done it. Again, I will be redoing the same problem in interest. So now in today's class, whatever the problems we have discussed, like divisibility and all, they are direct, we have done it. And installment problem we have done. So please recollect all these things. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.